Hey dolls, I'm coming to y'all today to do a tutorial on how I flat iron my hair. Now, I already separated my leave out from the weave, and I'm just going to focus on flat ironing the hair today because I'm going to wash my real hair because I had it bonded since I had my sewing done, and I need to give my leave out a break because my hair is starting to pop on the ends and I don't like that. So I'm going to just give this a break and wear my natural hair up here, and I'm not going to bind the pieces in until I take this out and redo my sewing. So let's get started on how I flat iron my weave. First, I'm going to apply my argon in as a protectant. Not that much, about this much. And you can just bring that through the hair. Okay, I start by separating my hair in two, and now I'm going to brush it out. And mind you, my hair has been wrapped up since last night, and I haven't brushed it. This is my first time brushing it out, and as y'all can see, no tangles. Now I am experiencing some shedding, but it's not that much. This is how much I got out just now. That's nothing compared to some hair I have tried. This is nothing, so I can deal with this. Alright, let's start off. Put this in so this hair won't run into the other hair while I'm flat ironing it. And I just want to flat iron it straight because I never wore this hair straight since I had it. The first day I cut it up and layered. When I layered it up, I curled it. So since then I haven't worn the hair straight. So show y'all how straight this hair flat irons, and it's just one time and it's bone straight. So I'm just going to do each piece twice because you don't want to apply too much heat to the hair. And I'm using this old flat iron I have because my Paul Mitchell broke. Yes, $140 going down the drain. It cracked. Very disgusted with that. Okay, I'll just finish flat ironing this and y'all just keep watching. Y'all should really try this hair. I love this hair. This is some very good hair, and it's affordable. So you don't have to go paying $400-500 for it. 2 packs of hair for $169. I think that's very good, and it's holding up very well. And it don't matter how big the pieces are you take. If you want to do small pieces, you can do small pieces. It really doesn't matter. I'm just taking whatever I grab. So it really doesn't matter. As you can see. And this is a lot of people want to know the texture. You can tell. This is the texture of the hair. And this is the ends. The ends are still holding up good. They're still pretty. They ain't raggedy and rough. Comb the hair into the other hair flat iron. Okay. And another thing I need help on, I don't really know how to layer my hair correct. I just be cutting. And I've been looking at a lot of people who did tutorials on how to layer your hair. I can't catch on to that for nothing. I got the shears, I got all that, and still it don't come out how y'all's be coming up. Catch this piece again in Flatiron straight. And if y'all want to see a tutorial of my face, just comment below and I'll do it. I just did this before I started this video. I never did one recording myself before, so I don't know how it's gonna go, but if y'all want to see how I do my face, y'all can ask and I'll do it for y'all. Okay, so as you can see, the hair gets really bone straight. It's very flowy, real pretty. Now I'll start doing the other side. Look at my leave out, y'all. It's horrible. Ooh, I just touched my neck. And another flat iron that I'm going to try is the Gibbery. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I seen Fabulosity is Me. She had it, and that sucker, it flat irons your hair good. I'm gonna try that. Just parting this hair all kind of ways. And I usually don't wear my hair straight, so that's why I'm really not focusing on how I'm parting it and all that, because eventually, probably by the time I get home, I'm going to curl this hair up again. I don't really like straight hair. Y'all know this. I don't wear straight hair. Only when I wear my real hair, and then I still bump it. Okay, and I'm done flat ironing the hair. I can't seem to get this bump out on this side. I guess I had it in the plate too long. My Paul Mitchell would have got that right out. It won't bother me. Okay, and I'll show y'all how I flat iron my real hair. I'm not going to really worry about blending it, because like I said, I'm going to wash my real hair tonight. See, I even got glue in there. So I'm just going to run through it. I'm not worrying about it blending in with it or not. And make sure y'all use a heat protectant. Please make sure, because that heat damage is no joke. I believe I have damaged my leave out. And I'm going natural, y'all. I have a video showing the state of my hair right now. In May, I'm doing the big chop, so I'm cutting all my hair off. Yeah, I'm gonna be all natural, no relaxed hair. Maybe that's how my other one dropped. Broke. Keep dropping it, huh? And for you guys who have questions about my Genesis hair, she actually contacted me yesterday and she told me I can send the hair back, and she's gonna send me some more bundles. Hopefully the hair I get in is better than the hair I have now, because that was not good. Okay, so this is how my red hair blends with the hair. It blends really good, but my hair is a different color from this, but I didn't want to dye my red hair because of the Genesis, so that's why I'm not too much worried about the color difference. So if y'all was worrying about why my hair wasn't the same color, that's why. Not worried about it. And if y'all can keep heat out y'all hair as much as possible, please do, because that heat of it will make y'all hair fall out, like, for real. Cause I can see my leave out is damaged. It's very damaged. It may not look like it to y'all, but I can tell. This is the side I got the glue in. I gotta take that out. See? It's right there. And I'm also going to have a tutorial on how I wash this hair. A lot of people are having questions on if you can wash it and will it tangle up. This is my first time ever trying the hair, so when I do it and try it, I will let y'all know. And I don't like straight hair. That's probably why this not looking right to me, but this is how I flat iron my hair straight. Hope y'all guys like this tutorial. If y'all have any questions or concern about how I do anything, please comment below. If y'all want to see anything specific, just write on my YouTube channel page. And that's all. Comment, like, subscribe to my channel. See y'all later.